Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy DC Done That back in the building, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to use the playlist inside FL Studio 24. Alright, so I already got a beat pulled up in the playlist so I can try to make this video as fast as possible, but I'm gonna show y'all how I got to this point. So what I did was put all of my instruments and drums into one pattern, and then you take that one pattern and put it into the playlist. Once you put that pattern into the playlist, click on this drop down menu and go down to split by channel. And what that's gonna do is split each channel up into its own individual pattern so you can then arrange your beat however you want it in the playlist. And you can add time markers to the playlist to help you better arrange your beats. And how you do that is click on the playlist options right here, go down to time markers and just hit add one. And you can also access your tools, edit, change the view, and do a lot of other things right here in the playlist options as well. This next button is the snap to grid. This is where you choose what line, step, or beat you want your patterns to snap to. This button right here is your draw tool, and you just use this to draw in patterns. Next, you got your paint tool, and you use this to paint in multiple patterns. Next, you got your delete tool, and you just left click to delete. If you had a pattern that you had wanted muted, this is the mute tool right here. Next, you got your slip tool, and you just use this to move notes or samples within a pattern. Next is the slice tool, and you use this if you had a pattern that you want to slice up. This right here is the select tool. Just left click and drag over whatever you want to select. This right here is the zoom tool, and you just left click to zoom in and right click to zoom out. Then you got your playback button, and you just hover over whatever pattern you want to play and just left click. This button right here is to just play and pause the song. And this drop down menu right here is to just go through all the different patterns that you got inside the playlist. Over here you got each individual track that the pattern is taking up in the playlist. If the track is being used, it'll be highlighted in white, and you got 500 tracks that you can use all together. Right here you got your pattern picker, and it's showing all of the different patterns that you got inside the playlist in case you want to drop and drag one somewhere else into the playlist. Then you got your audio clips picker. I don't have no audio clips inside of the playlist, but if I did, this will be where you drop and drag them at. And the same thing with the automation clips right here. Right here is where you scroll left and right, and this will be where you scroll up and down. Alright, so that's a quick beginner's tutorial showing you how to use the playlist inside FL Studio 24. I hope this video helped somebody out. If it did, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We literally just getting started. I'm about to start making beat making tutorials and a bunch of other stuff like that. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. But until the next video, peace.